In this video, we will show you how to automatically build and deploy our Python-based LLM Multi-Agent AI using Azure Pipelines. Instead of doing everything manually, we'll let the pipeline handle building the Docker image, pushing it to Docker Hub, and testing it for us. Simple, practical, and fully automated. In the previous video, we saw how to containerize the Python-based LLM Multi-Agent AI, and then we validated it by running the image as a container. We will do the same today, but all via Azure DevOps Pipeline. These are all the files required. The main.py, which contains the actual code. The Docker file to containerize it. The Jupyter Notebook is just for a reference. And the Azure Pipelines.yml, which has the configuration of the pipeline. Now let's build the pipeline for this agent. Let's select our repo, our branch, and the path to our YAML file. This is the same YAML file that we saw in the repo. It is fetching some secret tokens from library variables. It has two stages, build and push, and validate the image. As the name suggests, the first stage is building the image out of our Python code. It then pushes the built image to Docker Hub, which is a public container registry. The second stage is pulling the image and running it on the pipeline agents, just to verify if the image is built properly. Let's run it. Let's expand the stages to see more details. Let's permit it. Now, it is building the image. Image is now pushed. The image is also present locally. Let's go to Docker Hub. Here we can see the image repository with the same name that we specified, and the tag v1. In the second stage of the pipeline, we are pulling the image from Docker Hub and running it on the pipeline agent. This is the output log we got after running the image. This is the expected output. Next tasks are formatting the output and displaying it in the Pipeline Summary tab, for better readability. This is the formatted output with a bold heading, and the code is provided by our artificial intelligence model. Thanks for watching. See you again with more interesting technologies. Python every day.